Stock futures are little changed as traders await key inflation report. Live updates. Stock futures were muted on Tuesday ahead of a closely watched inflation report due before the bell. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were unchanged. S&P 500 futures were 0.1% higher and Nasdaq 100 futures ticked higher by 0.22%. The moves come as investors ready for the October Consumer Price Index reading slated for release Tuesday morning. Investors will parse the report for insights into the path of inflation that can inform expectations for how, or if, the Federal Reserve will adjust interest rates going forward. Economists polled by Dow Jones anticipate the index will show an increase of 0.1% from the prior month and 3.3% on an annualized basis. Excluding more volatile food and energy prices, the so-called core index is forecasted to rise 0.3% month-over-month and 4.1% year-over-year. A hot CPI report may call into question investors' belief the Fed is done hiking rates, said Bill Mers, head of capital market research at U.S. Bank Asset Management. On the other hand, a figure coming in lower than expected could solidify those expectations for now. Monday marked a mixed start to the week for the three major indexes, as investors geared up for the report. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite finished down by about 0.1% and 0.2%, respectively. The Dow diverged, posting a gain of nearly 0.2%. On the economics front, investors will also watch for small business data in the morning, and for remarks throughout the day from a slate of Fed officials. Elsewhere, traders will look for Home Depot's earnings report before the bell. A muted open in Europe. European markets were mixed on Tuesday, with investors looking ahead to preliminary third-quarter gross domestic product data from the Eurozone, along with October's U.S. inflation print.